So guys, just picked up this Porsche design phone and let's see what it looks like. This is the new one. I'm using the older one, so I'm using the RS to record this one. This is the R20. Just 1 second. Boom. That's the Huawei card. This is the bad boy. That's the phone. Keep that aside. And then as usual, the normal accessories, the earphones. The European charger. Now bear in mind these are the faster chargers. That's another one. 2 USB cables. And of course you get the case with it as well. This is the black case. And then the pin and instruction manuals in there. And that's about it guys. The Porsche design 20 RS. Such a beautiful phone. The leather is amazing.